So beautiful people, today we're going to be making Alfredo sauce with minced meat and spaghetti. This is very simple to make. Grab your minced meat, and I'm going to use 2 bottles of ragu Alfredo sauce, and then my spices. Okay, so here. So brown your meat. Meat is already now nicely cooked. Then we're gonna be adding our spices to it, or our seasoning. Let it cook for about a minute. At this time, we're gonna add our ragu sauce. Just buy it from any grocery store. I'm adding 2. Gonna rinse it out a little bit with water and dump it in. That's it. Simple, easy Alfredo sauce with minced meat or minced beef, or ground beef they call it here. So right now we're gonna just let it simmer for about 5 minutes and it'll be ready. You want to put a little bit of olive oil on your spaghetti so that they don't stick together. Mix it together, and that's it. The kids can enjoy. So ladies and gentlemen, here it is. This is a simple meal, spaghetti with Alfredo sauce with ground beef, and then you have your garlic bread. You can add whatever vegetable you want to it. Okay, all right, peace out.